Hey there. Are you part of a WhatsApp community and want to make sure you never miss any important announcements? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll walk you through a full guide on how to use high-priority notifications in your WhatsApp community. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on your community. It could be a group or a channel you're a member of. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. Tap Community Info. This will take you to the community's information page. Step 5. Tap Announcements. Here you'll find the option to manage your announcement settings. Step 6. Tap Custom Notifications. This allows you to customize the notifications you receive from the community. Step 7. Tap Use High-Priority Notifications. Enabling this option ensures that you receive important announcements with high priority. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use high-priority notifications in your WhatsApp community, keeping you informed about important updates while minimizing unnecessary distractions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.